Chris, 3 days done, how's it been?
It's been amazing, been absolutely amazing. I mean, the crowds out there have been massive. I expected big crowds, but nothing like this. It really has just been amazing for us. It's quite a big relief to be 3 days into the race so far and relatively unscathed. So yeah, looking forward to getting into the real guts of the race now down in France.
Take you back to Yorkshire. You were there on the start line as the defending champion. How were the butterflies and the stomach?
Yeah. I mean, pretty nervous, but I mean, we really do have a fantastic team here, and I think I can take a lot of confidence in that, knowing that I've got such strong support.
After France tonight, what are you expecting for the next few days?
Well, we've got, I think, a pretty relaxed stage tomorrow, but on stage 5 we're onto the cobbles. And that's where things are definitely going to get shaken up, and the race is just going to get blown to bits there. So hopefully just try and get through best we can and see where we are after stage 5.
Best of luck, and thanks a lot for speaking to us. Diolch yn fawr.
Cool, thanks a lot.